Hello, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. So today I'm making one of the meal prep recipe. I absolutely love this recipe because I love eating minced chicken. And apart from that, this is a really family friendly recipe. That means any of your picky family members who is not on keto and always looking for something really tasty type of recipe, this recipe is for those people. And you can also enjoy this recipe while doing keto. It's a keto version of this recipe. This tastes absolutely amazing. I'm sure you're going to love it and your family also going to love this. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and start this recipe. So let's start with our keto pizza casserole recipe. And for that, here on my burner I have taken my non-stick pan. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use avocado oil or butter, whatever you please. And once it's moderately hot, I am adding some onions to this, finely chopped. It's about 2 tablespoons of onion, and give this all a good stir. Once the onions are translucent, to this I am adding 500 gram of minced chicken. You can add sausages, seasoned sausages or unseasoned sausages, whatever you like. I really like the taste of minced chicken, that's why I am using minced chicken. And cook this until it's browned up, and break this up with the help of your spatula or whatever you are using. And once it has slightly browned up, add your marinara sauce. This is my homemade marinara sauce and it has got 2 net cup per half cup, and I have added 1 cup of marinara sauce and blend everything in. It's looking all good. Now it's time to season it up, and I am seasoning it up with about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. You can adjust the heat as per your tolerance, and add some salt to taste, and mix everything in and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. And while this is cooking, we'll start prepping on our second layer. And for my second layer, in my small mixing bowl, I am adding 3 large room temperature egg. Crack this open in your mixing bowl, and next we are adding in is about 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and next goes in some salt to taste and some black pepper, and give this all a really good mix until it's all well combined. And while I'm mixing all this up, why don't you go and subscribe to my channel. So there we go, it's all mixed up. Now I am setting this aside, and now it's time to assemble everything up. And for that, here I have taken my casserole. Now actually this recipe is kind of a one pot recipe, but unfortunately the pan I was using wasn't oven friendly. That's why I am transferring this to my casserole. But if you have something like a Dutch oven or a cast iron pan, you can assemble everything in the same pan. And onto this I am pouring over my egg and cream mixture, and there it goes. And just sprinkle some cheese on the top. I am using mixed of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and garnish this up with some pepperoni. I am simply just placing it over, and next this goes into oven at 180 Celsius for about 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, your keto low carb pizza casserole is ready to serve. And there you go. This is a nice and simple, easy, family friendly keto recipe. I hope you like my recipe. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment below how did you like my recipe, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.